Hello, delightful dreamers! Today we're diving deep into the dictionary to discover dazzling words that start with the letter D. In a cozy corner, you might find a doll.
Hello! Care to play?
Splashing next, we meet duck.
Quack.
Quack, dive in with me!
Hear the beat, that's the drum.
Tap, tap! Dance to my beat.
With wings aflutter, say hello to Dragonfly.
Zipping and zooming, up in the sky.
Spotting our last word, here's Dalmatian.
Wolf! Can you count my spots?
Dynamic and delightful. You've now danced with 5 words that start with the letter D. Which dazzler is your favorite?
Thanks for diving into our D dance party.
Dream big and keep dancing with words. See you during our next letter discovery.